Are you struggling with mealybugs and aphids on your plants? Fear not, there are 10 easy methods to tackle these pesky pests and restore the health of your beloved greenery. First and foremost, if you catch sight of any infected plants, it's crucial to isolate them. This simple step can prevent those troublesome critters from spreading to other plants in your collection. Now for those light infestations, a strong stream of water can be your best ally. Just a quick spray can dislodge aphids and mealybugs from your plants. It's an easy and natural way to keep your green friends pest-free. When it comes to natural pesticides, neem oil is a top contender. Applying this wonder oil to your plants disrupts the life cycle of pests, all without harming beneficial insects. It's a win-win solution for you and your garden. Insecticidal soap, another handy tool in your pest-fighting arsenal, effectively eliminates pests on contact. Just remember to follow the directions to ensure it's safe for your plants. For a more direct approach, consider a solution of rubbing alcohol and water. A cotton swab soaked in this mixture applied directly to mealybugs can obliterate them on contact. If you're looking for a little help from Mother Nature, biological control may be your answer. Introducing natural predators, such as ladybugs or lacewings, into your garden can help control the aphid population. These predators have a voracious appetite for pests and can be a great asset to your garden's ecosystem. When faced with small infestations, don't discount the effectiveness of manual removal. With a pair of tweezers or a simple cloth, you can wipe mealybugs and aphids off your plants. Diatomaceous earth, a natural abrasive, can deter and kill soft-bodied insects. Sprinkle this around the base of your plants for an added layer of protection. Essential oils aren't just for aromatherapy. A mixture of water and essential oils like peppermint, rosemary, or clove can act as natural deterrents for pests. Just spray it on your plants and watch as the pests steer clear. Last, but certainly not least, maintaining plant health is key to preventing pest infestations. Proper watering, lighting, and nutrition can keep your plants strong and less susceptible to pests. So there you have it, 10 easy methods to treat mealybugs and aphids on your plants. Remember, the key to a healthy garden is regular monitoring and treatment. With these methods under your belt, you're well on your way to a pest-free garden. Happy gardening!